What's going on, YouTube? So I'm meeting up with the boys right now. Gonna be doing another canyon run, it looks like. This song, You Race Me, oh my gosh, throwback. I haven't heard this in so long.
I think she hates me deep down, I know she does.
She wants to erase me.
A couple days no talking, I see my baby, and this is what she tells me. She said
2,000 miles. Woo! Let's go. Finally hit it. Hey. Sorry that took so long. Again. I think I was only late one time. Woo-wee. It is so hot. Alright. Once these guys get started, we'll be on our way, heading to some viewpoint up in the mountain. I don't even know where we're going, to be honest. But should be fun. Just hot. 93 degrees now. So we got ZX-10R, GSXR, Harley, some dirt bike, I guess, and then a 400. And I really don't know anything about that dirt bike. Unless if it's a sport bike, I kind of don't really know anything about other bikes. So this part of the ride's fun. Well, if you've seen some of my other videos, you already know about it. But this is cool. There's a waterfall coming up here on the left. All right, there it is. Look at that thing. Woo! My bad, kind of got distracted. I can't believe how hot it is. I can't wait till we get up higher in elevation. Woo, look at this view. It is so beautiful out here. Such a nice feature having cruise control, because my hand for some reason is cramping. It's probably because it's so dang hot up here. For a nice cruise, that's where we normally turn, heading up towards Snow Basin. So I've never been this way. Kind of excited to check it out. Alright, my slow ass. Everybody waiting on me over here. Oh, there he goes. He can take corners way faster than I can. I am not familiar with these roads at all, so dang, look at that view. Holy cow. This view's incredible. Oh man, I just want to take it all in. Can't take my eyes off the road. Oh, what the heck was that? Ooh, I like that. Now that our tires have gotten cold, but way better as far as the temperature outside goes. Man, it feels so good. Look at that view. Man. just hit me with a rock. What'd I do to you? T's a much better rider. He'd normally be killing these corners. Just waiting for the tires to heat up. Man, I feel like I'm in Washington right now. Look at this view. This is crazy nice. It's hard to focus on the road. I want to take in all this. Look at this. So nice. Oh, there's a lake down there too. I gotta take this in. Can't see the road. There we go. Camping down there. At this lot. Man, look at this. Just look at this. I love this road. gosh, man, I freaking love it! Watch out for the deers. I don't want to go too fast knowing there's a deer crossing here. Those guys, nope, ain't worth it, especially when it's getting dark. Oh, there they are. Alright, rest of the group's here. I am peppered with bugs right now, it's crazy. Oh dude, no way. I ain't doing that. Okay. I scared the shit out of him. Oh, there he goes. I can't see around that hill. That was nice of that car to let me pass. Got a bunch of road snakes though. Look at these things. Guy's waving us through. Thanks. Oh, wet. Woo! Oh, look at this. Look at this view. Look at that view. That's so pretty. And we're out. Well, I'm pretty sure that's the end of it. Everybody's piecing out from here. Oh, I see one of them up there. But anyways, I'm just going to end the video here. If there's anything else that happens, I'll clip those in at the end of this video. But thank you so much for subscribing, or if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now, or hit that like button. I'll catch you on the next one. Got a lot more content coming up. Thanks again, guys. Peace.